In this video, we are fitting a splitter to the front of the BRZ, getting it a nice, more aggressive look. So sit back and enjoy the video. Also, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. It's free. You could always change your mind later. Enjoy! The first thing that I always do in mounting custom parts is that I just make sure to measure to find the exact look that I want. And it's really easy with the bumper all the way on the ground. Just make sure all my measurements are even, gets to the point that I'm happy with where it looks, and then we can move on to starting to prep mounting it. What I'm doing here is making attachment points for the two end pieces of the splitter. What this does is makes it so all I have to do is get the middle part centered, and then since these are both attached at the same point, it makes them already even when trying to attach them on the sides. I use rivnuts to attach the splitter to the bumper. What this does is lets me use screws instead of just rivets or double-sided tape, which may seem easier initially, but this gives me the ability to take it off and on whenever I want, which will make it things super handy down the road. The splitters weren't perfectly glossy, so I thought I'd try to buff them out, but I ended up using too harsh of a compound, and so it made everything fuzzy. So I decided that I was just going to go ahead and sand them and then paint them to make them primed afterwards. So that way when we do go ahead and paint it, because some things are going to be needed to paint it gloss black, that I could just do these as well then. While the splitter was drying, I decided to go ahead and try to fit the nose cone. I hadn't worked on it in a while, so I went ahead and just trimmed it up, tried to make it fit as nicely as possible. that is where we're going to end the video for today. First off, I need to apologize because I'm sorry that we didn't do more than this. It was a hectic couple weeks. Got the weekends taken away last week, and so I was just kind of working from 8 p.m. to 10 whenever I'd get home from work. So sorry, I tried to get you guys something, so this is where we're at. But next week, I promise you, will be the last video of the front bumper. We're gonna get all buttoned up, get the sides smoothed up, get the flares on, and get the lights and everything mounted. So it shouldn't be especially much, but shouldn't be, I don't know what I'm saying. So that's what to look forward to next week. I'm really excited because I'm ready to have this front bumper done so I can finish up the back so we can get this car ready for paint, because I'm really excited for it. I really do like the look of the splitter where it's at. The reason why you may have noticed that the splitter sticks out beyond the end of the bumper is because it's made more to line up with the flares than the bumper itself. So that's that. But the front, the splitters look great. I really like this look on cars in general, and I think it fits this car super well, especially since we have the aggressive side skirts like that, the diffuser in the back. Definitely needed something in front with the kind of bubble nosed front that the BRZ gives. One thing I was a little confused about, you may have noticed that I was struggling a bit to put the front nose cone on. It didn't want to line up with the hood on, so I screwed into the original hole that it was, but the hood was closing on it, so we're gonna have to fix that issue. And then, as you may notice, the gap here is great, but it leaves bigger gaps here, which leaves gap there. So that's all things we're gonna get taken care of in the next episode. That's it for this video. Guys, this is the perfect time to get yourself some merch for Christmas, so why not? That's the best pitch I got. I'm losing energy fast, guys. I'm sorry. Stay in tune next week. It's gonna be a good one. Don't forget to do the usual. Dislike, unsubscribe, leave your hates in the comments, guys. Bye.